This one thing may be holding you back from not seeing the results that you want in the gym. So if you're not getting stronger and you're not building that muscle sculpt to get that toned look, listen up. So first you want to thread the lifting strap through and make sure that it's not twisted. So just like twist it around, make it good. And then you want to put it on and make sure that the long part is at the palm of your hand. The most important part is this. You want the strap under the bar. So guess here, it's under and from your side. So make sure that that long part is at the palms. You want to get it under, wrap it around. You don't need to wrap the whole strap through. Then just roll the bar, roll the dumbbell, roll everything into you to get a really tight grip. And off you go. Figure 8 strap. So again, under, and then put your hand through it. Make sure you get a really tight grip by rolling the dumbbell in. This is a really thick dumbbell, so I didn't have to roll it all that much. Get it on, and then roll it around. I like to use figure 8s for dumbbells and figure 6s for the barbells. If you're really trying to build your body, which means you want to get stronger and build muscle, you really don't want your grip to be the limiting factor. You don't want it to fail before the muscle you're working. Caption for more.